Have you ever missed a perfect trade just because you hesitated for a second? Or closed a position only to watch the market explode right after? Yeah, we've all been there. That's actually how I started looking into algorithmic trading. At some point, I realized my biggest problem wasn't my analysis. It was sticking to my plan. Emotions get in the way. Algorithms don't. They just follow the rules you've defined every single time. And honestly, it's not as complicated as it sounds. With platforms like NinjaTrader or MetaTrader, you can turn your trading logic into a system that runs on its own. You set the conditions, the stop loss, the take profit, and it executes automatically with discipline you can trust. We, as Horizon Algo, have developed smart and affordable algorithms you can use right away. If you like quick action, scalping systems like the Momentum Scalper look for short intraday moves. If you prefer to ride bigger trends, the SSL Titan focuses on strength and momentum while managing risk with ATR-based stops and break-even logic. And if you want something super clean and visual, Renko Rider filters out market noise using Renko charts for crystal clear entries. And it's not just for NinjaTrader users. If you trade on MetaTrader, there are lightweight algos too, like Goldminer 5M for gold CFD scalping, EJ Scalper for Euro-Yen, Forex Pair or Yen Cents, which focuses on disciplined price action entries for the USD Yen Forex Pair. All of them share one idea: let the system handle execution, so you can focus on the strategy itself. Prop firms like FTMO, the Fivers, MyFunded Futures, or Topstep are all about consistency and risk management. That's exactly what these automated systems help you achieve. So if you've ever thought, I wish I could trade my plan exactly as I designed it, that's basically what algorithmic trading does for you. You can check out the strategies I mentioned on our website horizonalgo.com, and in the next videos I'll show how they work in real market conditions.